Rainbow? Nice. Smile. Got one. Oh yeah. At least it's something. At least it's something. Got one. Oh man. Yes sir. Okay. Ooh. Oh nice. Nice size. Fish on a rainbow. Rainbow? Oh, never mind. Rainbow. Ow. Smile. 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 Got one. If you don't come off, it's small as heck. Oh sh. Ooh. No. Just button my worm. That's pretty good size. Where's yeah. Oh, come on. Yes. Yes. Another nice one. Oh, we got one.
God damn it.
Oh,
it's coming off. Huh?
Got one. Yeah.
Well, look at that fish.
Oh, bald eagle. Yeah.
Oh, it's great.
Let me try. Yes. Yo. Oh. What?
Ready?
Oh no.
Oh, sucker Sue.
Sucker Sue.
Yes.
Woo. Yes. We should look at that. We finally got one.
Right.
Smile.
Mine is great.
Yeah. Took the cord just the right one. Pretty small one, but that would do.
I'm not heavy that.
Oh, please don't come off. Finally got one. Oh, there you go. Here's the first fish. Yeah. Oh, please don't come off. Please don't come off. That's a big one too. Yes. Now look at that. Yeah. Ow. The hook got me. Ooh, that's not bad. Oh, is that rainbow? Oh, it is. It is rainbow. Nice. Nice.
Nice rainbow. That's a rainbow.
Another rainbow? What's that, your third fish? Nice. Oh, come on, Zach. Yeah. Wow.
Nope.
Come on, dude. Come on. You got it. You got it. Grab it. Yeah. Nice job. Is that rainbow?
That's a nice sign. Yeah.
Oh, it's brown.
Yeah, it's a brown. That's a lot of lines. Now come off. Look at that.
Something.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Please don't come off.
Slap him.
No, don't. All right, I got a fish.
Probably a log. Probably a log.
Holy, I didn't know I had a fish on. Oh my God, please don't lose it. Please don't lose it. Come on. Yes. Oh my God, that's a huge fish. Oh my God. Oh.
It's a monster.
You got one, nice. Come on, Si, you got it. You got it. A big trout, he said. Oh. You got it?
Can't risk.
I need help taking the hook out.
Hold on. Nice. Oh, I need help. I can't get up.
Where do I push it?
Oh. Another nice brown. Oh shit! Oh my God! It's a big sucker. Oh my God! I can't even pull him up. Oh, I got big. Where's he at?
Is that a big one? Is that another sucker? No! Line broke.
He came off?
It says line.
Oh, my nephew just got a sucker.
Yep, since it swallowed it.